Your belt is capable of more than you think. So why would you walk around with a belt that only holds up your pants? We took the tools that enable you to fix any everyday situation and we put them into this. We created the BitBuckle.
First tool in our arsenal is the utility blade. A small blade is handy in a variety of situations. We also made sure that the blade is locked securely in place by magnets so it won't unintentionally deploy, especially this close to your business.
Second feature of the BitBuckle, the bits themselves. We store these inside of the buckle and they're easily accessed by one push of your thumb. Simply take the bit you need, put it in the high torque hex driver. You just turned your BitBuckle into a screwdriver.
A screwdriver can come in handy in all kinds of situations. Whether you're changing some batteries, tightening up some glasses, or just messing around with camera equipment. The BitBuckle is intuitive to use and you can deploy it in seconds. The two-part design makes it easy to deploy from your belt, to get the job done, and return to base.
All the tools inside of the BitBuckle are tightly secured by magnets. And to prove just how well the buckle is attached, we hired a guy to do a backflip. A backflip guy.
The BitBuckle is fast to deploy. Let's compare it with a regular pocket tool. Now, the BitBuckle. The BitBuckle is CNC machined out of a single block of 7075 T6 aluminum. That's what marketers like to call aerospace grade aluminum, which is a buzzword and mostly untrue. However, it is true that 7075 T6 is one of the strongest aluminum alloys and has strength and hardness that compares to steel while being very lightweight. The surface is hard anodized and available in two options: black and space gray. We refined the design until we had a perfect blend of utility, style, and ease of use. High precision manufacturing has allowed us to make good use of the limited space of a belt buckle. Each mechanism feels nice and tactile to use. Unlike many crowdfunding campaigns, the BitBuckle is fully developed. We just need funds to set up tooling for mass production, which makes it possible for you to buy at a reasonable price.